Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hold crypto in Binance. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Binance app and log in to your account. And then from here, you want to head over to the trade section at the bottom. And from here, you want to select spot at the top, this one. For holding crypto long term, you want to focus on your spot wallet, and this is where your coins will stay safe. Next, you'll need to buy or receive crypto. You can either purchase directly through Binance using support methods or transfer from another wallet. Popular choices include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, but you can hold any supported coin you prefer. Now, here's the most important part: do nothing. Holding, also called hodling, means letting your assets sit and grow in value over time. And unlike trading, where you constantly buy and sell, holding is about long-term patience. And if you want extra benefits, you can also transfer your crypto to Binance Earn to earn passive interest or move it to a cold wallet for maximum offline security. Both are great options depending on your strategy. And finally, don't forget to monitor your assets. Use the wallet overview to track performance, check prices, and stay updated so you can make smart decisions if the market shifts. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.